Hi, this is Military Modeller Paul with an update on my Royal Navy Captain of 1806, Lucky Jack Aubrey as I call him because that's what his name is in the actual Patrick O'Brien books, and also he's called Jack Aubrey or Lucky Jack in the movie Master and Commander. As you can see, I originally did the same for the head as what you can see on the body there, and what I did is primed in black and then mixed very thin white paint, and then sprayed downwards to give the shadow look in it, which gives me an idea where the highlights are as well, and which I did for the face as well. Now the face, as far as I'm concerned, is more or less finished apart from doing the hair. I'm going to be doing his hair sort of a blonde colour because they used to say that in the book, I think they said Lucky Jack and his yellow hair. Well, obviously it wasn't yellow, it was a blondie colour, so I should be doing that next. That'd be the next thing tomorrow, and then I won't touch the head again unless I really think I need to. I'm quite happy with the highlights. It looks the skin looks a lot brighter than he does actually for real, which is better because I like the real version of it rather than the screen version of it. But so the eyes were awkward to do, but I've found that I got there in the end, and I'm quite happy with the eyes. So he looks a bit piercing, but then again he is a captain of a frigate of war, so there you go. So as you can see in the background, I use the Vallejo face painting set, which is good, and I'm going to keep them colours in a box to their own, and I'm going to make a little box up. I've got some other colours like gold and silver in what colours are they? Hold on, let's get them out. I've got these sets. Basically I've got these sets, which is this one for silver, and this is not Vallejo though, this is another colour, and I've also got a gold one as well, which is there, solid gold, and that goes with the other three sets I've got that I bought over the last few weeks, and that's to do with a blue set, a white set and a red set. But I can mix in the other colours as well because I've got my full Vallejo military set as well, so I'm quite good with colours, happy with colours anyway. So as you can see, that's what I've done. Now I've put some photographs up after this, and you'll see what I basically did with the figure up to this point with different photographs. So I thought it's the easiest way to do it. Now, can I remember exactly how many colours I used there? I used 3 or perhaps 5 colours to get the shades right. I was starting with doing exactly as it got on a sheet that I've got behind there, and also as military scale models, and Gavin Booth, really brilliant. He actually built this figure and sent me some tips as well, and I've watched his videos on what he did. So I went about it slightly different the way he suggested one way, and I've looked at other videos, and it's like anything else, you end up finding your own path a little bit. Now, is my path the correct path? No, I don't think so. It's just the way I went about it. Will I divert to another path? It's very possibly, because I have got another figure to do later, which I'll be doing the tank next, and it's this one from the Band of Brothers, and that has the direct likeness of Captain Winters in it in the series Band of Brothers. Brilliant series, and the real man was a brilliant man as well, a very brave man. Anyway, so that would be the next bust I will do after this one, with a gap. But tomorrow I'm going to be getting on with doing the uniform parts, and then I'll do the hat last. I'm quite happy with the way she looks now, but I'm not going to. It's got to be. I think he's a black colour anyway, so I might be doing something with that with more black. So anyway, we'll see that when I get to it. So anyway, look, photographs after this, and thank you very much for watching. And this has been really interesting to do this, so I'm really pleased with it so far. Happy modelling, and catch you on the next one.